Hi, this is Dan Acre, Operations Manager, Ontario Regiment Museum. We're in the middle of Operation Spring Clean, and so basically we are cleaning up our main MVCC, relocating some of the vehicles, as you can see, just making sure everything slides into place properly, cleaning up. Now, if you visit us, you realize that this isn't all of our vehicles, obviously. So when we're moving vehicles around, the first thing we have to do is get a whole bunch of them out to get some fresh air so that we can actually make some space, and then we're going to pack them back in. It's going to be an interesting day today. It's going to be a long day today, but it's going to be a lot of fun.